Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by identifying the locked door and the keypad device nearby. Walk the room slowly and look for anything with printed numbers. Check desks, drawers, and pinned notes on the wall for 4-digit sequences. Scan nearby computer screens and security monitors for temporary codes. Examine crates, shipping tags, and floor plans for numbers that repeat. Pause and photograph any numeral patterns to compare them quickly later in your inventory. Use the in-game scanner to highlight fingerprints, residues, and smudges on the keypad. Examine highlighted marks and prioritize digits that repeat or stand out clearly. Review nearby terminals and emails to find saved codes or incidental notes. Rewind security camera footage to watch anyone typing numbers into the pad. Cross-reference numbers visible on monitors with printed receipts and shipping labels found in the room. Write down candidate 4-digit sequences and test them systematically. Test logical 4-digit combinations, starting with the most obvious digits found nearby. Use patterns like repeated numbers or chronological dates to prioritize entries. Observe keypad wear and press heavier worn keys as likely digits. Limit wrong attempts by recording tested combinations and avoiding repeats. If you cannot find the code, search for alternate entrances or vents to bypass the door. Employ hacking devices or complete related objectives that automatically unlock the pad for progression.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.